Hi, my name is JS. I am a life coach.
The best beginner-friendly investment strategies for wealth growth. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, let's call him Arjun, once told me, "I'll start investing when I finally understand the stock market." Fast forward 10 years, he was still waiting. While his money sat quietly in a savings account, doing absolutely nothing. Today's video is for every Arjun out there. Smart, capable, but stuck waiting for the perfect moment. Spoiler alert, the perfect moment is now. Let's begin. Simple strategies to grow your wealth with confidence. Begin your smarter investing journey today. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Arjun's turning point came during a family dinner. His younger cousin, barely out of college, revealed that his small monthly investments had grown enough to buy a bike. Arjun froze. Same income? No. Same opportunities? Yes. That night he made a decision. If wealth grows with time, he wasn't going to waste another minute. And that's where your story and his story meet. If you're new to investing and want to grow your wealth without drowning in complex jargon, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best beginner-friendly strategies that actually work. Simple, practical, and tested over time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where beginners go wrong, which strategies give you the safest and most reliable start, and how to build your wealth step by step, even if you're starting small. Arjun's first instinct was to pick individual stocks. Risky, confusing, overwhelming. Then he discovered something magical: index funds. Imagine a giant basket holding hundreds of top companies. When you invest in the basket, you own a little bit of all of them. That meant no picking winners, no late-night stock analysis, no panic every time the market sneezed, just steady, peaceful growth, the kind beginners dream of. For Arjun, this was his aha moment. Start with the right mindset. Before touching a single stock, you need the right mindset. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a wealth-building marathon. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Think long-term, stay patient, and let time do the heavy lifting through compounding. Arjun didn't have a lot of money to start, but what he did have was discipline. So he used dollar cost averaging, investing the same amount every month, rain or shine, bull or bear. Some months he bought more shares, some months fewer. But he always showed up. And over time, something beautiful happened. His investment line looked less like a roller coaster and more like a gentle staircase rising toward his goals. This is how real people build real wealth. Strategy of dollar cost averaging. The simple index fund approach. Arjun's early portfolio was simple enough to write on a napkin. 80% broad market index fund, 20% bonds for stability. No fancy formulas. No Wall Street mystique. Just balance, patience, and clarity. He didn't need complexity to win. He needed consistency. If you're a beginner, one of the easiest and most effective strategies is investing in index funds. Here's why they work. They give you instant diversification. You own a slice of hundreds of companies at once. They have lower fees compared to most actively managed funds. They've historically performed better than the majority of stock-picking strategies. All you need to do is decide how much you can invest each month. Automate it if you can, and let your portfolio grow steadily. The strategy of dollar cost averaging. Next up is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This strategy means investing a fixed amount of money on a regular schedule, weekly, monthly, or quarterly, no matter what the market is doing. Why it's great for beginners? You don't need to time the market. Meaning, neither do you need to be glued to the market, nor do you have to guess if it has hit a low. You naturally buy more when prices are low and less when they're high. It reduces emotional decision making, which is where most beginners go wrong. Consistency beats timing every single time. Build a balanced starter portfolio. A simple starter portfolio for beginners could look like this: 80% broad market index fund or ETF and 20% bonds or bond fund for stability. This setup gives you stock market growth while protecting you from major downturns. Over time, as you get more confident, you can adjust the proportions to match your risk appetite. Invest in what you understand. A timeless rule: never invest in something you don't understand. This means that if you have some knowledge of the domain or area of the economy, then look for ETFs and even possibly stocks that operate in that domain or sector. If an investment sounds complicated, confusing, or too good to be true, skip it. It's probably true that it is not true. Start with companies, funds, or sectors you can explain in 1 or 2 sentences. Simplicity protects you. Avoid common beginner mistakes. A quick list of pitfalls to avoid. Don't chase hot stocks because everyone is talking about them. Don't check your portfolio every hour. Don't panic sell during market dips. Downturns are normal. Don't invest money you might need immediately. Avoiding mistakes is half the game in the early stages. Of course, Arjun made mistakes. Everyone does. He once sold during a dip, only to watch the market recover days later. He once chased a hot tip. It cooled off faster than ice in the sun. But each mistake taught him the same lesson. The biggest danger isn't the market. It's your emotions. So he decided, no checking portfolios every hour, no panic selling, no gambling on hype. He would invest in things he understood and sleep peacefully at night. And that's it. The simplest, most reliable, beginner-friendly strategies for wealth growth. If you stay consistent, stay patient, and keep learning, your future self will thank you. Today, Arjun's portfolio isn't huge, but it's growing. And more importantly, it's working for him, even while he sleeps. Your story can start the same way. You don't need to be a market expert. You don't need a lot of money. You just need to begin with simple strategies that stand the test of time. If this story inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which part of Arjun's journey felt most real to you. Your wealth story starts today. Let's write it together. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which strategy you're excited to try first. See you in the next video.